Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Let's start with natural gas. This is natural gas on the weekly chart, and on the weekly we are very bullish because the 20 EMA is way above the 50 EMA. However, we had a big fall. As you can see, we have 5 red candles in a row. Now, I shared with you that once we break down below the 20 EMA, we will most likely come down to the 50 EMA, which exactly what we did. We almost came down there and bounced back up, of course. Now the question is, what is going to happen in the future? If I only look at the weekly, I would say that probably in this area we can bounce back up and continue the bull run. However, here as well, you can see that we wick down below the 50 EMA, and this can happen in the weekly. Red candle suggests that we might have further fall down, have a wick to the downside or go to the downside. And if it's only the weekly, I would say we are bullish, but we need to go over to the daily because the daily has a different message. We have this head and shoulder pattern, which is hard to see on the weekly, so we need to get to the daily chart. And now this is natural gas on the daily chart, and now on the daily chart you can see that we have this head and shoulder pattern, which is a strong pattern. We broke down, we are below the neckline, and as long as we are below the neckline, it's very likely that we come down to the $6 level area. In fact, when I count the wicks as well, then the price target could be 5.6. It's very possible that we come down to 5.6, not only to $6 level but below that. If we are shorting this market, however, I want to close the big short positions at $6 level just to make sure, and probably we will go down there. However, this is way below the 50 EMA on the weekly, and we could go bearish here. I'm not sure. We will see. We might bounce back up. If we do come here, we might bounce back up to the 50 EMA on the weekly at around 6.5 and then continue the fall. We will see what happens. But if we come back above the 50 EMA on the weekly, then we will probably continue the bull run. On the daily, we have this death cross here. This was telling me that we are going to fall, and so I expect more falls to the downside, at least to the $6 level, but it's possible that we come down to $5.6 as well. Now we are going over to oil and have a quick look at oil. With oil, of course, my price target is still 75, but if we count the weeks, we can go way below that level, because on the weekly we had this this is the daily chart. On the daily we are very bearish. This is oil, WTI oil. We come back up to the 20-day EMA and fall below, continue this falling downward trend, and I don't see any changes yet, don't see any reasons to go bullish. We are falling and probably continue to fall in the future as well. However, this is not a straight line to the downside, but we are falling. We had this M pattern, double top, and already at 110 I suggested that our price target could be 75, and it is still my price target. When I count the wicks as well, then we can even fall below $66 level, even to 60, I would say 62, around 62. So what to expect now? I think we will fall to 75, and then if we go below 75, then around 70 is my price target, then 66.4 is my price target. That's all for now. See you next time.